This. What is this, people? This is a windshield wiper. It is for the back of this Ford. As you see, I already have the old one off. I'm going to gently put that down. Okay, we're going to be replacing the windshield wiper. Although I don't know how in the world I'm going to do this with one hand. Let's see. Anyways, but before we do that, well, I can't show you, but I'll show you the same type of brand, but this isn't right. We don't, I didn't use the Anco and the Anco. I used the Rain X windshield wiper. It probably says it on here. Fuck, it doesn't. Oh, it does. Right here. Got the Rain X. Now, we are going to somehow make sure this is on there. Slide it on. You're good to go. You can see it's perfectly on. It's ready to go. That's how you replace a windshield wiper. Alright. And the old one went like exactly like that. Now these, I like when cars have windshield wipers that stay up like this. You change them easy as hell. However, the Impala does not. You have to turn on the windshield wipers, turn them off halfway through the cycle, and when you turn off halfway through the cycle, that's when you have to flip them up like so, because the hood line right here comes up to about here, and this is all covered. So this is the windshield wiper changing on a 2003 Ford Expedition Eddie Bauer edition, I guess. Got a nice little keypad. Although the driver's door does not work. On the inside, you've got a nice little DVD player, although it has shoot 'em up stuck in there. Okay. Got nice. Yep. Fold this down for you guys. And this folds up. And now it makes a weird farty sound. Hey, it only took an hour. That's why I like Chevy. Well, the good thing about folding rear third row seats, I hit this. What does it do? Pops this up. I actually had this glass replaced. And when this seat is folded up, you have about this much room. Here, you have your jack. This, I'm not sure what this is. Air suspension switch. Well, not play with that. Here you can fold these down. Now sometimes they get stuck, but this time they didn't. Oh, you also have a nice little handle to fold down on, and then you go like that. You've got mirrors that can fold out like so. Imagine just driving down the road seeing that. Fold in. So if you have tight garage doors like this one here, watch this. It doesn't even break. That's a good thing. Everything on here is stock. See how this is. Nice little gas cap. Got vented windows, which open up like this. Well, like this, kind of. You got an airplane. You've got these seats that fold down. You pull this little lever right here to go like that. Pop that up. Adjustable seats. You press this little thing right here, and then you have to press down. Okay. This seat, however, doesn't have one, although you can adjust it forward and back, but I can't do it with the camera in my hand. Alright, glove box. Nice little thingy. With a horn. Got that. Looks like it's messed up. You got the little mirror to check on your children back there. Got the sunglasses thing. Now what you do is you have, hi Dad. I'll talk to you guys later.